Go Puja. In the Hindu tradition, the cow is honored, garlanded, and given a puja on special occasions of life. Here, it is during Bhimarada Shanti. The Hindus regard all living creatures as sacred: mammals, fishes, birds, and more. They acknowledge this reverence for life in their special affection for the cow. The cow symbolizes all other creatures. The cow is so vital to life, the virtual sustainer of life for many humans. The cow is a symbol of grace and abundance. Veneration of the cow instills in the Hindus the virtues of gentleness, receptivity, and connectedness with nature. By her docile, tolerant nature, the cow exemplifies the cardinal virtues of Hinduism, that is, non-injury, known as ahimsa. The cow also symbolizes dignity, strength, endurance, maternity, and selfless service. The Hindus honor and adore the cow, but they do not worship the cow in the sense that they worship the deity. Surya Namaskar. In Sanskrit, Surya means sun and Namaskar means salutations. Here, we bow to the sun god. In Hindu religious literature, Surya is notably mentioned as the visible form of God that one can see every day. We pray to Surya to bestow upon us the good fortune of having only good thoughts, of hearing and speaking only good words, and of attaining a sound and strong body, so that we may have a long life and one day achieve oneness with God. The sun is the closest thing that resembles the description of a god. Its existence and power are undeniable. The sun sustains life on earth. It keeps plants and animals warm and alive. It provides energy for our crops. It evaporates water out of the ocean so we can drink it. It lights out atmosphere so we can see. We have evolved to be what we are now by its immense influence on the planet's ecology. The Vedic scriptures of the Hindu religion refer to the sun as the storehouse of inexhaustible power and radiance. The Vedas are full of hymns describing the celestial body as the source and sustainer of all life on earth. The ancient sages have chosen the fire and water elements for their sadhana to give offerings to the divine beings, because these two elements have the best ability to retain and transmit divine energy. Purnahuti. Purna means complete, and Ahuti is mixed offering of types of grain and ghee. Purnahuti means complete offering away of oneself. It symbolizes putting of one's abilities into a field of activity in a spirit of dedication.
तस्य प्रकृतिरस्य यः परस्य महेश्वरः पुरुषशवेन्द्रिये आयुष्यवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति धान्यं धनं भगवत्कलापं संवत्सरासनं दीर्घमायुः देवता पूजा होम प्रसादेनाः
Mangalya Dharanam. Now, at the end of the elaborate homams and performance of the pujas, the couple reaffirm their marriage vows with Mangalya Dharanam. It is marriage rewound in a different way for the later generation to witness.
Thank you.